is small. Smaller than a marble, smaller than a speck of dust, and smaller than the thickness of a newspaper. Have you guessed it? No, it's not a molecule, and it's not an atom. It's nanotechnology. Despite its small size, nanotechnology can do great things. Nanotechnology is the study and application of extremely small things and can be used across all the other science fields, such as chemistry, biology, physics, material science, and engineering. This is stated in nano.gov. It all started in 1959 with a physicist, and his name was Richard Feynman. His idea was mentioned at the talk, "There's plenty of room at the bottom." A quote by Richard Feynman is, "I want to build a billion tiny factories, models of each other, which are manufacturing simultaneously." The principles of physics, as far as I can see, do not speak against the possibility of maneuvering things atom by atom. It is not an attempt to violate any laws. It is something in principle that can be done, but in the practice, it has not been done because we are too big. This is also from the Center for Responsible Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology began to become popular in 1980 with K. Eric Drexler. Drexler talked about building machines on a scale of molecules, such as motors and robot arms, which would be smaller than a cell. Later years, he was named the founding father of nanotechnology. How small is nanotechnology? Well, according to nano.gov, there are 25,400,000 nanometers in an inch. A sheet of newspaper is about 100 nanometers thick. On a comparable scale, if a marble were a nanometer, then 1 meter would be the size of the Earth. Nanotechnology allows scientists to see and to control atoms, and as everyone knows, atoms make up everything in the universe, and that they are so small the human eye cannot see them. Therefore, about 30 years ago, there was a microscope made that allows scientists to see things on the nanoscale. Nanotechnology is used in several ways, 2 of them being drug delivery and tissue engineering. Nanotechnology in the medical field is referred to as nanomedicine. Since liposomes were first described in the 1960s and proposed as carriers of proteins and drugs for disease treatment, nanotechnology has made a significant impact on the development of drug delivery systems. This is stated in the article, Nanotechnology, Drug Delivery, and Tissue Engineering from Discovery to Applications. The dictionary definition of liposome is a microscopic artificial sac composed of fatty substance and is used in experimental research of the cell. This basically means that liposomes deliver medicines to the cells, similar to a delivery truck bringing produce to a grocery store. It brings medicines to all the cells, not only specific ones. It's administered in several ways, 2 of them being topical, which is applied externally to a part of the body, and intravenous, which is administered by injecting into a vein. This is also from the article Nanomedicines for the back of the eye drug delivery, gene delivery, and imaging, and also from the dictionary. Another way nanotechnology is used is in tissue engineering. Tissue engineering involves biology, engineering, material science, and medicine. It focuses on maintaining and improving tissues and organs. Over the past few decades, continued progress in the specific field has led to the creation of implantable tissues, some of which are already used in humans, for example, skin and cartilage, or have entered clinical trials such as the bladder and blood vessels. This is stated in the article Nanotechnology in Drug Delivery and Tissue Engineering from Discovery to Application. The tissue cells are surrounded by extracellular matrix, which scientists refer to as ECM. The ECM's job is similar to that of the cell membrane. It supports the cell and it regulates interactions between other cells. Nanotechnology's goal is to clone the cell membrane and to regulate its body functions, also to control the release of drugs. Today, nanotechnology is found in chemical mechanical polishing, magnetic recording tapes, sunscreens, automotive catalyst supports, biolabeling, electroconductive coating, and optic fibers. All of these are from the Industrial Hygiene and Occupational Safety Organization. Nanotechnology is a very promising field for the future. It will change the way that people will work and how the world will work. Nanotechnology today is probably like Mozart when he was 5 years old, bursting with promise, with the best yet to come after a few years of nurturance. This is from the book Nanotechnology, a Crash Course. This book also talks about how nanotechnology will grow. It also says that it offers scientists new directions and new challenges. So nanotechnology has potential to make great changes in this world. A quote from John Dewey is, "Very great advance in science has issued a new audacity of imagination."